Snap and slide the plank clips along the top edge of the plank. At each end of the plank, fasten a plank clip into the nailing flange of the intersecting trim, except at inside corners. At inside corners only, apply a plank backer in a vertical direction facing away from the inside corner, fastening it through the fastener line. Place the backer below the top edge of each plank so it comes into contact with the back side of the main surface of the plank. This is an important step that ensures the planks have a flush appearance when the top caps are installed later in the process. Secure the length of the plank by fastening plank clips at maximum 32 inch on center. Stagger the plank clips from row to row. Check each row is level as you go, and make small corrections as needed.